Have you ever wondering what happens when you mix modern chemistry with upcycling? Welcome to my channel TheMonaZine. Today we are transforming this empty glass bottle into a glowing winter art piece. Let me show you how I create this one. Before I start the painting, here is a fun art fact. Acrylic painting is actually a relatively modern invention. It was first commercially available in the 1950s. Unlike oil paints, which take a week to dry, acrylic is a plastic polymer emulsion. This means it dries fast and becomes water resistant, perfect for a project like this. Painting on glass is tricky because glass doesn't have any texture. That is why I am dabbing the paint rather than brushing it smoothly. It creates a texture that helps the layer stick. Now for the star of the show, I am painting a deer with a scarf, which I like most. Do you also like deer? Let me know in the comment section. When painting characters on a carved surface like a bottle, perspective can be hard. I am giving you one tips. You need to keep rotating the bottle as you work to make sure the proportion look right for every angle. Now grab a tea or a coffee and enjoy the step-by-step drawing process. Well, I choose a soft pink background instead of traditional red or green. In color psychology, pink represents warm and nourishing, which I think fit this cozy theme perfectly. Also, pink is my favorite color. What is your favorite color? Let me know in the comment section. Did you notice I am leaving a clear window in the middle? Trust me, you will see why at the end. By the way, if you fell in love with this winter deer, this exact piece is listed on my eBay right now. I also love working on the custom ideas. So if you have a special request for a bottle or a painting, just ping me on my Instagram. My handle is TheMonaZine. Let's create something magic together. Also let me know which part you like most. I'm waiting for your comment. See you on next Sunday. Bye bye.